Suru odicheng kodiche.
Kwa mbele nyakoro mgajwang riwruoge makedo ni ratiro mar jotije sirkal okwedo chenro ma piny owacho nigo mano mando osara ma jotich gi atamala de ka itere agulu mano mar masiro gedo mar udi manego gi ogonyore. Jotelo mag riwruoge go koriwo Wasu, KMPDU, Nat, Kupet, Kudeya, ekin mamo kowacho ni pod poko kaw pachgi ewi chenro mora mano mando osach jotich. Gibuok mar dhi doho dhi chungo chenro makamano mondo mi kik chak ket e time pachoka.
We condemn in the strongest terms possible the heartless, insensitive, and the cavalier manner in which the government is proposing to impose a housing levy without any commensurate increment in workers' emoluments. 2, we actually demand immediate government reversal of that levy. And 3, as stakeholders in the labor movement, we will soon make a decision on the way forward on this continuous government's insensitivity to the plight of workers, especially in public service.
Imagine a worker who is earning only 15,200, removing VAT of 16% whenever he is purchasing everything, 53% of electricity bill, NHIF another 2% or 3%, NSSF another 2, 3, 4%. How will that Kenya be able to survive?
When it comes to taxation, now we have civil servants. We are saying no. Can you go to the civil servants that you give comprehensive medical cover, civil servants that you give mortgage, civil servants that you give a housing scheme, and leave us alone?